Hello there, welcome to Math World. This is Daily Mathematics, and today we are going to be considering something very important, very nice, which is circles. Some people know the ins and outs of circles, while most people don't. So today in this video, we are going to be going from the definition of circle to some circular objects to down all the way to the parts of a circle. So first, we all know a circle is round. Something like this is a circle. It looks like a sphere. So a circle is a round shaped object, a round shaped figure which has no corners, which has no edges. It's just round, and all the parts, and yeah, it is a 2D shape, meaning two-dimensional shape. A circle is a two-dimensional shape. From here, we're going to be looking at some circular objects. Some circular objects, we have buttons, we have wall clocks, we have wheels, we have rings, we have bangles, etc. So moving down to all the parts of a circle we have. What are the parts of a circle? What are the parts of a circle? So the first part of a circle we're going to be looking at is the circumference. The first part of a circle we're going to be looking at is a circumference. And what is the circumference of a circle? It is the distance around the circle. So if you have a circle here, the distance around the circle is called the circumference. It is the distance round the circle. Distance round the circle. That is the circumference. And the next part of a circle we're going to be looking at is the arc. Is the arc. What is the arc? The arc is any part of the circumference. This is a circumference of the circle. Any part is called an arc. So an arc is any part on the circumference. Any part on the circumference. Any part on the circumference. And the next part of a circle we're going to be looking at is a chord. Is a chord. What is a chord? A chord is a straight line joining 2 points on the circumference. You have a point here on the circumference, you have another point on the circumference. A chord is the line joining 2 points on the circumference of a circle. So a chord is the line joining any 2 points on the circumference on a circle. The next one we're going to have is the sector of a circle. The sector of a circle. What is the circle? It is the area bounded by two radii and an arc. The sector of a circle is the area bounded by two radii and an arc. First, radii is like the plural form of radius. So radius is 1, radii is 2. So from here we see our radius is is a line from the circumference to the center of the circle, from the center of the circle to the circumference. So from here to here is like your radius. So this area bounded by two radii is called a sector. From here to here is called a sector. So the next one we're going to be looking at actually should have been radius. Radius. So as we're talking about, radius is a line from the center of the circle, drawn from the center of the circle to the circumference. That is radius. So for diameter, the next part of the circle we'll talk about is diameter. What is diameter? Diameter is a line that divides a circle into two equal parts. Diameter is a line that divides the circle into two equal parts. That's what splits the circle, divides the circle into two equal parts. A line that divides the circle, into two equal parts. Into two equal parts. That is a diameter. The next part of a circle we are going to be considering is a segment. That's the next part of the circle we are going to be considering. What's a segment? A segment is the area enclosed by a chord and an arc. Is the area enclosed by a chord and an arc. We said a chord is a line drawn from any point, joined from 2 points on the circumference. That's what we said. A straight line joining 2 points on the circumference. Now we said a chord is from here to here, joining 2 points on a circumference. Now we are now seeing that a segment is the area enclosed by a chord and an arc. This is a chord. And this is an arc. You remember, an arc is any part on the circumference of the circle. This is an arc. So a segment is here. This is a segment. So it is a segment is the area enclosed by a chord and an arc. The next one we are going to be looking at is a quadrant. The next part of a circle we are going to be looking at is a quadrant. What is quadrant? A quadrant is the quarter of a whole circle, just like the name implies, quad. Quad means division of 4. It is the quarter of a circle, and quarter means division of 4. So you have a circle here. So quadrant is this: a quadrant, a quadrant, a quadrant, a quadrant. So this is a quadrant. It is the division of circle into 4 places. That is a quadrant. And from here we will now have some formulas for this. So first and foremost, the circumference formula. Circumference is also known as perimeter. Circumference is also known as perimeter of a circle is equal to 2 pi r or pi d, where r is called radius, d is called diameter, and pi is constant for circles. And the next formula we're going to be looking at is actually diameter. What's the formula for diameter? So we see diameter cut from here to here, from here to here, but in between we have a radius. So radius plus radius equals to 2r. So diameter is equal to 2r. So from here, what other thing do we need to know? Okay, let's take the area of a circle. Imagine you have to calculate the area of circle. That is pi r square. So that was that for that about circle. So we may take some other works on circle. It depends on how you want it. So that will be that for that. So subscribe if you haven't done that. See you in our next video. Bye.